As an English tutor, you play a vital role in helping your students improve their language skills and achieve their learning goals. Whether you're teaching English as a second language to non-native speakers or helping students with their writing and grammar, it's important to continuously develop and refine your teaching skills. Here are some tips and strategies to help you become a more effective and successful English tutor. This video is sponsored by Cudy. Cudy is Asia's largest platform for students, tutors, and coaches to match up for lessons. Sign up at Cudy today. Tip number 1. Continuously improve your own English language skills. The more fluent and confident you are in English, the better you'll be in teaching it. One way to do this is to read extensively, listen to English music and podcasts, watch English movies and TV shows, and practice speaking and writing in English as much as possible. Tip number 2. Develop a comprehensive lesson plan. It's important to plan your lessons in advance, set learning objectives and goals for your students, and choose appropriate teaching materials that align with their learning styles and goals. A well-prepared lesson plan can help you stay organized and keep your students engaged. Tip number 3. Personalize your teaching. Get to know your students' learning preferences, strengths, and weaknesses. By tailoring your lessons to their needs and interests, you can personalize your teaching approach. For example, if a student is interested in sports, you can use sports-related examples to teach grammar or vocabulary. Tip number 4. Encourage participation. Create a comfortable and safe learning environment where students feel comfortable participating and making mistakes. Encourage them to ask questions, share their opinions, and practice speaking and writing in English. Tip number 5. Use technology. Incorporate technology into your teaching by using educational apps, online quizzes, and interactive whiteboards. This can help make your lessons more engaging and interactive for your students. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can create a more engaging, personalized, and effective learning experience for your students. Remember to stay patient, positive, and supportive throughout the learning process, and always strive to create a safe and inclusive learning environment. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cudy to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.